my name is Allie Jones and I'm currently in Spanx and a strapless bra, and I'm trying so hard to cover myself so no one sees anything. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be something different than what I've ever done. In the past, I usually just do makeup related videos showing fashion pieces that I like, but today I will be trying on some of my favorite fashion pieces from Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova is probably one of my go-to places where I shop. A lot of these pieces are bodysuits, so don't hate me. They're just easy to style. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the first item here. I did throw on, I don't know if you guys can see, some black jeans here, but this is the long sleeve knit sweater from Fashion Nova. I actually have not worn this out yet. I thought it would be a good sweater to wear to work, but then I didn't realize that the back was so low cut. So yeah, I'm not gonna wear this to work, but I think this sweater is super cute. It's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be when I purchased it from Fashion Nova, but it's super cute, especially for like some springtime photos, one for the gram, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I really like this sweater. I think it'd be super cute for like a date or something. I did, like I mentioned, pair it with some black jeans, and you could definitely wear it with like some boots or strappy black or nude heel. So yeah, I really love this sweater. This is the next item. It is this kind of mint, kind of ruched bodysuit. This bodysuit is a thong bottom. I believe a majority of the bodysuits I do have from Fashion Nova are thong bottoms. But I did pair it again with the same black jeans from the previous sweater. I got this for my niece's birthday party, and I just think it's so cute. It's super comfortable. It honestly feels like you're not wearing too much, even though it looks like it's probably a lot, but it's not. But I just think it's super cute. I love the back. I love how low it goes. But yeah, I think it's super cute. I will go ahead and leave probably in this bottom corner or this bottom corner of the screen of what each item name is on the site, but I'm obsessed with this bodysuit. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm obsessed with bodysuits. If I could wear a bodysuit every day, I probably would. But this one, I believe this particular one, the reason why I probably know the name of this one is because I have 4 of the same bodysuit. I think this one is called Don't Be a Square because of the square top. This color, I don't particularly like the fabric. Even though it's the same bodysuit, this fabric is different from the other colors that I do have. This bodysuit is a thong bottom as well. I love this one because it is pink and I think it's super cute and girly. I just don't like the fabric. I don't know if you guys can see, but this part, it's like, I don't know, like it's big. It's always been like that ever since I got it. Like it looked like someone tried it on, and I don't know, but I like it. You can obviously wear this with any bottom you want to. You can honestly dress this particular bodysuit up or down. You could wear it with leggings, sweats. I think it'd be super cute with sneakers. But for this particular one, it's not necessarily my favorite, but I really like the color. I don't know if it's the fabric that's making it bunch, that's making it like look extra meaty up here. But yeah, I really like it, and I think it's super cute. I will go ahead and try on another color of the same bodysuit, just so you can see what I'm talking about. Here is the same bodysuit, just in a different color. I believe this is in the taupe shade, and then for whatever reason, let me see, I cannot find the black one that I own, but like I said, I have it in like 4 different colors. So this is the taupe one. I just tried on the pink one, and then they of course have the white one. I love this bodysuit. I think it's so comfortable. You can dress it up, down, like I said. As you can see, the top, it just like it lays better on the chest area, whereas the pink one, it's just like, I don't know, like extra fabric chilling there. And this time I paired this one with blue jeans instead of black jeans. I love this bodysuit. Okay, so this next one you may or may not recognize. I did wear this one night for my bachelorette party. I love this bodysuit. I just think it's so pretty. I'm sorry I'm keep looking off to the side. I have a mirror back there so I can see myself. I think it's super cute. You could definitely wear this out on a date, out with your girls, to the grocery store if you want to do your thing, sis. The bottom to this bodysuit, I believe it's more of like a cheeky bottom rather than the other ones where those ones were thong bottoms. But I just think it's super cute and I absolutely love this one. Again, I only have this one in white. However, I believe they have multiple colors in this bodysuit, but I feel so like dainty when I wear this one. You know what I mean? The next one is this cropped turtleneck sweater. I am obsessed with this. If you guys could feel how soft this sweater is, you would love it. It literally feels like one of those super soft blankets that you cuddle with at night while binge watching Netflix. Like, it literally feels like one of those. I will say, upon getting this sweater, I did not think that it was cropped, but it is like I'm wearing Spanx under there. It's really cropped. When I ordered it, I was like, I could wear this with leggings. I still can wear this with leggings, but I have to be really choosy about which ones I wear. Well, not that I'm not already really choosy, because I don't want anyone to see my butt or underwear, but you know what I mean. I've worn this a couple of times to work. I actually wore this to Eli's birthday. I just think it's super cute and I love it. So I have one more top to show you guys, and then I'm going to show you guys a couple of my favorite lingerie pieces from Fashion Nova. So this is the last item from Fashion Nova, and actually the most recent item that I bought about 2 weeks ago from Fashion Nova. I am so obsessed with this top. I have not worn it out yet. I just think it's so freaking adorable. It literally reminds me of like Paris or like France, looking to see the Eiffel Tower, or let me put my ring on. My ring, it did this to the sleeve, so I needed to take her off. But it literally reminds me of like romance. I don't know what it is about this blouse, but I think like, me? No. You know what I mean? Like, that's how I feel when I have this on. It is definitely cropped. Well, on me at least, because I'm a big girl. But I absolutely love this top. I just think it's super adorable. The color that I ordered it in, I believe it says it's blush toned. But yeah, I love it, and I think I'm super cute in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the 3 lingerie pieces that I'm currently obsessed with from Fashion Nova and that I highly recommend. Let me go grab those. So to be completely honest, I do have a confession. I order a lot of lingerie from Fashion Nova. I like lingerie. I may act a little bashful about it, but that is my business. I'm a grown woman, so yeah, I personally really like lingerie. I like lounging apparel, especially when it's cute and it makes me feel good about myself. So yeah, this piece here I fell in love with because of, I don't know what this is, but it's a thong bottom, and again, it has like that bodysuit feel. I love bodysuit anything, like I said earlier, and especially if it is lingerie that's a bodysuit, you better believe I'm probably gonna have it. But this is the front here, and then the back, it has this on the back, and I don't know if you guys can see it, and I just think it's super pretty, especially on. I love it on. My favorite color to wear when it comes to lingerie is either white or black. Sometimes red, but I feel prettiest when it's white or black, especially white. I don't know what it is now. I don't know if it's because I'm married. Even leading up to our wedding, like, I was just into white a lot, and I still am. So yeah, I actually did purchase this around the time Eli and I got married, so this, obsessed with. And next one is a black one, and again, it's a one piece. This one I accidentally bought in a size up, so it does fit kind of big, especially in the breast area. The bottoms to this one is a thong bottom. It does have a wiring cup, which I really, really like. The one that I previously showed, there's no wiring whatsoever in it, so everything's kind of just out there. But this one, everything, you know, we're all good in the hood with this one. So like I said, thong bottom. The front, it does have lacing on the breast area, and then this is what the back looks like. I don't even know if you guys are going to be able to see that because it's literally black. This one I got 2 weeks ago, again with this. Obsessed again because it's white, obviously. I have not worn it yet, but I am completely obsessed. This one fits me perfectly. It's a 2X, and the black one was actually a 3, and then the white one before that was a 2. So a majority of these are 2X, excluding the mint bodysuit, but I will leave sizing and all that jazz down below in the bar. This one again does have the wiring on the breast area. I love this part of the top. I just think these are super, super cute. And then the back, it's plain on the back, and then the bottom is a thong bottom. I'm obsessed with that one. So that is it for my Fashion Nova must-haves. Fashion Nova, you better buy them. Fashion Nova is my jam video. If you guys enjoyed it and would like to see another one, don't forget to hit thumbs up down below, as well as subscribing to my channel. That way you guys don't miss out. Also hit the notification bell. That way you are notified every single time I upload, and so you don't miss out on another one. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and now TikTok. Yeah, I'm on TikTok. Still trying to get used to it, but I do currently have 2 videos on there, so go watch my TikTok. But that is it for this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Peace out.